Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the last set of combos for level 1.9 and for all of level 1 for that matter. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 9th set of combos down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So the first combo is going to be a front snap to a front scoop round. So you're going to do your front snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around to a front side stance and put your cheat leg down, then throw your front scoop round. The second combo is going to be a front snap to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your front snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around to a front side stance and put your swing leg on the ground. Then throw your front swipe hook. Third combo is going to be a back snap to a front scoop round. So you're going to do your back snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around to a front side stance and put your cheat leg on the ground. Then throw your front scoop round. And the last combo is going to be a back snap to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your back snap and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into a front side stance and put your swing knee on the ground, then throw your front swipe hook. Now, obviously, if you're going to attempt these combos, I recommend that you have your grounded flip kicks down already, as well as probably your zero kicks too. And I want to encourage you guys to create your own combos with everything you've learned through level 1 so far. And remember, when you're doing new combos, always feel free to take it slow, and then once it feels a little bit easier, you can add a little bit more speed or power. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this channel. And if you'd like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we're going to be moving on to level 2. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz. It's been a long ride, guys. Thank you for everyone who's keeping up so far. Let's get it.